Hey guys, welcome back to HR. I know it's been a while since I made a video, but today I'm gonna teach you how to clean your headphones or earphones if it's dirty, because it gets dirty because when you put your headphones on, your earwax sometimes goes on it. So I'm gonna teach you how to remove them with some earbuds. Clean it. If your headphones are this dirty or even more dirty, don't worry. I have a solution. Just wait, watch and see. See, as you can see, I'm using this ear tip piece to take off the earwax. It will slowly go off. If your one's even more dirty, you might have to use more than 2, but I think for me 2 or 3 is enough because I haven't cleaned it for a while. You should do this like once a month or maybe once a week. But like if you don't have time to, then once a month, but it's not going to take that much time. It's only like 2 minutes. I can even prove it to you. Now my ear tip is getting dirty. You can't see it here because there's no light, but I'll show you how it looks later. I'm going to finish this off. I've realized something before making this video, that like after I clean it, the audio is much better. And if you feel like your headphone or earphones are not clear as it used to be, then try cleaning it. Hope it works. Most likely it's just that you didn't clean it, that's why, or either it's a bad headphones. But if it was playing a good audio and clear audio, then at the beginning when you first bought it, then it must be that you didn't clean it for a long time, or maybe it just got damaged over time. I'm pretty sure it's like perfect now. I'm gonna just do the final touches and then after I'll show you. As you can see now, it's like shining because it's really clean, and now I can enjoy listening to music with my JBL headphones because now it's clean. And also make sure to clean your ears, because if your ears are dirty, then it'll make your headphones dirty and it will sound muffled and it won't sound that great. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and comment down below if this helped you. I'll see you next time.